colors alike got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I want.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to my channel, Bell's Rides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's episode is on the 10th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. Okay, guys, my 10th pick for the 12 stocking stuffer ideas is a roll-up toolkit for your motorcycle. It's pretty badass. Starting at $12.99, depending on how small you get, all the way up to $65.99. This one's pretty cool. It's everything that you need to get by in a pinch. So there you go. That's my 10th pick for the 12 bells of Christmas. Until next time, enjoy the ride.
It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.